Hello there Year 2, it's Miss Hutt here and I'm here today to go through your maths problem activities. You should have a choice of two. This is the second one for today. And we've got a bit of a word puzzle. Now I really like these word puzzles because it gets your little maths brains thinking. So although maths is easy, the way that you have to answer the question is slightly different. So here it's saying all together, I'm underlining that because I know it's a really important bit of information. Altogether, there are 30 apples and bananas in a basket. So my total in this basket is 30. There are 30 apples and bananas. Okay? There are 18 apples in the basket. How many more apples than bananas are there? So the first bit of information is really important. So we know the total, the whole, is 30. And one of the parts is 18, so we've got 18 apples. Now, what do you think I'm going to draw over here? I've left a space for a reason. Can you guess? It's a bar model. Bar models are really important to help us see the maths, see what the problem is asking us to do. So, I have here my bar model. Now, what was the total? How many bits of fruit in the basket are there? There's 30, so 30 is my whole. Okay, so I've done that little bit of information. I know that bit of information is over here. Now there are 18 apples in the basket. We've got a basket of apples and bananas. So over here I'm going to actually just draw my bar model, and one of the parts I know is 18. I'm just going to draw a little apple to help me know that these are 18 apples. If I had colour pens I'll probably do this bit in red, because apples or green, apples can be red or green. Here they're red. So I've done that bit of information now. See, nice and easy already. But here is where we have to use our maths brains, because it says how many more apples than bananas are there. So we've got to find out not how many bananas there are, but how many more apples than bananas. So we've got a bit of a thing we've got to solve here. Well, first of all, we need to know what. What do we need to find out? We need to find out how many bananas we've got. So, I'm going to draw a little picture of bananas to remind me. Not a very good banana, it's like a moon. Never mind. And I'm actually going to draw a number line. So, we've got 18 apples, and the total is 30. Okay? I need to work out this difference here to help me see how many bananas there are. So, 18 is part, 30 is the whole. I need to find out how many bananas there are. So I'm going to count on from 18 up to 30. Now my first logical jump is going to be a jump of what? Now I'm looking at this 8 here, thinking about my number bonds. I want to get to 20. If it's the next multiple of 10, so the next number in the 10 times table, what do I need to add to 8 to get to 20? Or 8 and what makes 10? Well, if you need to check on your fingers, you can. 8 and 2. So we've got a jump of 2. Oh, I'm about to write 12 then. What a marvellous mistake. I wasn't paying attention. I was thinking about the next job. So, adding 2. Now I'm at 20 and I need to get to 30. Well, you might just want to do lots of little jumps of 1s. But I know with my maths brain on, 20 to get to 30 is a difference of 10. So I'm going to put a plus 10 there. So, now I need to write what up here? We've done some maths, but what do I need to actually write in my part? Am I going to write 20? No. Am I going to write 30? No. Am I going to write 18? No, because it's there already. So what do I need to write in that part? Well, I need to write 10 and 2. Now what is 10 add 2? Well, 10 add 2 is 12. So, we now know that in my basket there are 12 bananas and 18 apples. God, good work guys. But it's saying how many more apples than bananas are there? Well, how many more? Well, if I know that there are 12 bananas and there are 18 apples, we have to do a number line again to find out how many more apples there are than bananas. Now, you might just want to count on use your fingers. I'm actually going to draw it out because it's going to help you see the problem. So 12. Oh, my pen seems to be running out. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18. So I've done all my probable jumps to 18, but I'm going to write a number 1 underneath each one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I've written 5. It's my Monday brain. I'm making lots of marvellous mistakes. 5, 6. So to get to 12 to 18, I need to add 6. So actually, how many more apples and bananas are there? Well, there are 6, because the difference between 12 and 18 is 6. And there you have it, Year 2s. There is your problem of the day. Now, I want you to go away and have a go at this. Obviously, you've watched this video. Take what I've shown you and have a go on your own and see if you get to the same conclusion that I have done. Have a lovely day, Year 2s. Bye-bye.